Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I have an oil pastel painting today. Something slightly different in the background. I was in the mood for some abstract, but I also wanted a floral on there. So I went ahead and taped off my Strathmore Tone Tan paper and started just going in with my oil pastels. I'm using mostly Paul Rubin Haya and my Art Echo. And my charcoal pencil here and there, and a Sennelier gold iridescent. I love that set. If you can only buy one set of Sennelier, buy that. You'll just be adding shiny bits everywhere. But anyway, so I'm going in kind of forming my daisy, and basically there's not much to it. I just was in the mood for a little bit of an abstract background, kind of. It almost has an 80s vibe to it. You'll see it, well, you saw the video at the beginning, but so just layering on different colors, trying to balance them out on the page, and then just going in and rubbing them. Things were getting dark fast, as you can see here, so I do lighten that up later. Had some baby wipes to the side there that I keep at the ready, and I let those dry out and reuse those. So I get several uses out of the baby wipes per wipe, that you buy. So I feel like if you can do that. Sorry for my throat, guys. I'm sick. I made it 25 days without having a virus. So I should get some sort of an award, but here we are again. But it is what it is. So some dark blues and pinks and sort of peachy colors, and then the whites and the sort of yellow ochre with the daisy center there, and of course green for the stems. And basically just layering on color, and at the end I'll use the gold iridescent. So links below if you could like, share, and subscribe. That really does tell YouTube to push out my videos. I know that I don't have the most, I feel like as a YouTuber, everybody's, I don't know, I feel like I'm not very, what's the word? I don't know. Like, I don't do all the things that everybody's doing at the moment. I don't move quite as quickly with the trends, because to me it's just about creating beautiful things, or at least what I think is beautiful, and sharing that with you if it helps you get into your art supplies or cooking food that tastes great and getting you in your kitchen. That's my goal. That doesn't always get clicks, but I don't always have the dramatic, am I leaving YouTube? Sort of titles, you know what I mean. But, it is what it is. So if you enjoy it, go ahead, share, like, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And more importantly, I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'll put some nice music on, and if it inspires you to get down and use your art supplies, then that is, to me, a goal met. So thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video.